Visuals coming in from the Drone Shakti Exhibition 2023, which is taking place. It's going to be underway all through today and tomorrow at the Hindon Air Base in Ghaziabad. Well, the Raksha Mantri is very much there, and on your screens are the live visuals coming in. What's also expected in a short while from now, and perhaps that's what's happening right now. The Raksha Mantri, I believe, is inaugurating, rather inducting the C-295 aircraft. As we keep up with these visuals of the Raksha Mantri in Hindon Air Base, I think he has already inducted the C-295 because you do see the visuals of the same on your screens. Shivani is right there, so let's quickly go across to her to get us the details of what's transpiring there. Shivani, over to you. We'll just reconnect with Shivani, but these are the visuals coming in from the Hindon Air Base of the Raksha Mantri, who's inducted the C-295 aircraft, which has been procured by New Delhi from Airbus. We're talking about the Drone Shakti Exhibition that takes place today and tomorrow. The Raksha Mantri first up inaugurated the same. Several organizers there featuring live aerial demonstrations, but the C-295 is something that is going to once again boost the Indian Air Force's capabilities. We have been talking about what this C-295 deal really means for India, the induction of the C-295 transport aircraft into the Indian Air Force in presence of top military officials being done by the Raksha Mantri as we speak and keep up with those visuals. Also present there is the Air Chief Marshal V.R. Chaudhary. But yes, it was earlier this week that the Indian Air Force received the first C-295 aircraft, and this 2 years after New Delhi sealed a deal with Airbus Defence and Space, and it's a close to 21,000 crore deal. The Airbus is going to be delivering the first 16 aircrafts in flyaway conditions from its final assembly line in Spain by 2025, and the remaining 40, because it's a deal of total 56 aircraft, C-295 transport aircrafts. First 16 aircrafts will be delivered by 2025. The remaining 40 aircrafts will be manufactured and assembled by TATA Advanced Systems in India as part of an industrial partnership between the two companies. So formally beginning this journey, the Raksha Mantri going ahead with the first ever induction of C-295, and those are the live visuals coming in from the Hindon Air Base. We do see representatives from the central government agencies, state departments, armed forces, paramilitary forces take part in this exhibition, and India's air capabilities once again at display. We have Shivani joining us live from the Hindon Air Base. Shivani, we keep up with these live visuals coming in. What a moment, truly. Take us through more details, please. We're trying to get in touch with Shivani, who's live at the Hindon Air Base, and on your screens are the visuals coming in of Raksha Mantri really going ahead with the inaugural formalities. But the inclusion of the C-295 aircraft, remember, is going to strengthen the Air Force. It's a transport plane that possesses the ability to land and take off even on short runways, and that's what make this particular induction and inclusion all the more special. Now, India in 2021 had sealed an over 21,000 crore deal with Airbus to procure 56 of the C-295 aircrafts to replace the aging Avro 748 planes of the Indian Air Force. So they're going to be essentially over a period of time replacing the Avro 748 planes. And this is the C-295. On your screens are those visuals of the Raksha Mantri along with the Air Chief Marshal and several top officials of the Defence Forces. The C-295 aircraft, remember, if we get into specifics, details, can attain a maximum speed of 260 knots, has the capacity to carry a substantial load ranging from 5 to 10 tons. We've been talking about the key advantages of the C-295 as well. It's a low-level flight characteristics, particularly designed for tactical missions. It's a transport aircraft, and that's what makes it so very special.